the Somali government's focus on building resilience at the community level. Maybe you could talk a little bit about some of those strategies and what it looks like at the community level in Somalia.
Community.
What are some of the things that the Somalia government is doing to help build resilience at the community level?
Yes, community level. Now the government of Somalia is struggling to also relieve the acute humanitarian emergencies, while also trying to develop and sustain development and resilience system. And we made example the program of community health worker, which is